Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix GCash Magisk Detected by app. So first up, what you need to do is to hide Magisk. So just open the Magisk app, head to the settings and enable Magisk Hide, then select the GCash app from the list of apps to hide Magisk from. Next, you can also try renaming the Magisk app. So in the Magisk app, head to settings and select Hide Magisk Manager. This will rename the Magisk app to a random package name, making it harder for apps to detect it. Another method you can try is to use Magisk modules. So just install modules like Magisk Hide Props Config to further mask the presence of Magisk. Follow the instructions within the module to configure it properly. And then finally, you can also try disabling developer options. So just head to your device settings, navigate the system, and then developer options, then disable developer options if they are enabled. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.